Come with CSS Man and Wendy while we show you how to install a new Google Doorbell. Always pre-charge all devices you're going to add to your Google Home.
Alright, CSS Man's about to check the wires to see whether or not the doorbell wires are
Open the
live.
door, see if you hear a doorbell.
Yes. Alright, so we have a little MacGyvering because the customer's bracket is not the same as what we normally use.
The customer provided this cover plate, but there are other plates that you can use to cover the gaping hole left by the old doorbell. The Google Doorbell has a two-piece mounting bracket. Depending on the desired view, you can also use a wedge to angle the doorbell.
We're going to slip over that, so we just want to make sure it's open enough.
Get a good clean strip on the wires so you can add the Google end strips. Before adding a Google Doorbell, be sure to download the Google Home app. Set up your home, then click Add Device, which is the plus sign on the top. Select Setup Device, New Device. Choose your Google Home and scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell. Follow the remaining prompts to connect to your home Wi-Fi and choose a naming location for your device. For each new device, you will follow the same process.
Part.
Yeah.
There's a slit right there, and if you press down, it releases it and you can lift it out.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's locked in.
Okay, perfect.